Hi friends, this video shows how to screen mirror Samsung Galaxy mobile phone to Google TV Streamer 4K device. Okay, so first we need to connect both mobile phone and Google TV Streamer 4K to same Wi-Fi network. So let me go to this mobile phone and open this settings app. Go to connections, and here you can see I have connected this mobile phone to Wi-Fi network named Wi-Fi 2024. See, Google TV Streamer also connected to same Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. That is very important. We have to connect this Google TV Streamer and mobile phone to same Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. After that, in mobile phone we need to install this app, Google Home app from Play Store. I already installed this app. Let me open. We need to log in with the Gmail ID and password. I already logged in. Then tap on this devices tab. This Google Home app will automatically search and detect Chromecast enabled devices in the same Wi-Fi network. See, Google Home app has detected this Google TV streamer. Tap on this name. Tap on cast my screen. Tap on cast screen. Tap on start now. See, it's working. So if you want to switch display to full screen, we can enable screen rotation in mobile phone. Then just rotate the screen. That way we can switch display to full screen in TV. So next I will show you how we can stop this. You can again go to Google Home app, then tap on stop mirroring. Done. So please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.